Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki here in the outdoor testing studio with a cool outdoor product. It is that time of year, time to get out and RVing again. And this is a tire pressure monitoring system, which in addition to RVs, there are 1,000 other really smart applications for this. If you're towing a boat, if you are towing a race car, I used to travel all over the country towing a race car, and I wish I knew I had this as an option. Or if you just have a utility trailer, something like this. This is a great system. So let's unbox it, talk about some of the features, then we'll test it out, make sure it works. Then I'll give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know how much I liked it or didn't like it. I do need to tell you this was provided to me to do this review, but with absolutely no instructions. So I'm free to say it sucks if it actually sucks. Comes with instructions, which is always a good thing. This is a nice smooth sticky pad if you want to rest it on the top of your dashboard. Here is the unit itself. You can measure actually up to 10 wheels. I have 6 wheels here. I happen to like 6 wheels a lot. We have a travel trailer, so I like to set it up so I'm monitoring the 4 wheels on the travel trailer and my 2 rear wheels. Those are the ones that really kind of take a beating. Truly important thing about a tire pressure monitoring system is it allows you to save yourself from trouble and headaches, right? So nobody likes changing a tire on the side of the highway, right? It's just bad. Nobody likes it. You want to avoid that at all costs. Forget about the whole blowout thing, but just basic, you don't want to change a tire on the side of the road. So by using a system like this, you can set up alarms which will notify you if the pressure is going down, pressure is going up. Pressure going up is also an issue because it means the heat's rising in the tire, you're wearing something out, the pressure's going up. All those things, you can set alarms for the system to tell you about them. And that way, if you're driving down the highway and you see your pressure leaking down on one of your tires, get off on the next exit, go to a service station, go and handle the situation before you find yourself on the side of the road with a blown out tire or flopping around and smoke pouring out. None of that's good, especially not good changing a tire on a trailer on the side of the road. So watch it, it's amazing, a great advantage to have. Here's what the system looks like. I like it because it's like low profile. You have 2 options. You can charge it with a USB. So what I'll do is I'm gonna actually charge it up, bring it out, and then once I put it in the car, from that point forward, I allow it to charge via solar. But when you first put it in the car, I like to start it out fully charged up and then let it carry itself, keep itself charged using the solar power. It's not charged right now, so I can't show you the display, but let's charge it up. I'll take it outside, we'll use it a little bit, I'll show you some video of that, and then I'll give you that Doug score, let you know how it worked. Okay, so I'm gonna show you real quick how easy it is to set up these sensors. Simply press and hold down the code button. Okay, it's in pairing mode. I'm going to tell it I want it to pair up with the right tire on the trailer. This is the sensor that I'm going to use for that. So you simply put that there, press the code button. It'll beep when it matches up, and you see it says a 0 there. Right now I'm going to go put this on the trailer. Installation of the sensors themselves is super easy. You just replace the cap with the sensor. Okay, so now you see it instantly picked up the pressure there, and I'm going to press down hold code one more time. It's all set. Okay, so now here's some of the basics so you can see. First off, this is where I like to keep it mounted. I haven't permanently mounted yet, but I love that it's right in front of me. I can see it at all times. For safety purposes, I have my tire pressures, and I can switch this around. None of the alarms are set yet. I could set it for what low pressure I want, what high pressure. You could use bar if you prefer bar over PSI. And also you can measure the temperature within the tires, which is a key indicator. So overall, I've been playing with this thing for a couple days, and it is absolutely outstanding. It is super easy to work with, super easy to program. I love the solar is nice and large, so it's going to keep its power well. That sticky mounting thing works awesome because you can just put this on, take it off. Overall, I have to say this is definitely a keeper. This is a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. All day, all night. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.